change is constant in any business and anything that you do, so being able to recognize it and adapt, be able to apply that towards your business and your life, I think will definitely make a big difference.
You know, you got all kinds of experts and newbies, and you know, it's just camaraderie coming here and learning from different people, different aspects of things, so you can find your niche.
I know that I'll definitely recommend that they come, and I'll come back with them. There's just so much information, and it's not sell. It's this is what we can do to help you grow, to help your business grow. It's just absolutely wonderful. I would definitely recommend it. In fact, every time I think there's going to be a conference, I'm going to come.